Hi everyone, welcome to the CodeQueryHub. In our last video, we started our journey into data science by understanding what data is. Today, we are going to take the next step and explore the types of data in data science. We will learn about qualitative and quantitative data, as well as their subtypes, discrete and continuous. And to make sure you understand the concept fully, I will include 20 MCQs at the end. So stay tuned and see how many you can get right. Let's start with a quick recap. Data means raw facts. It can be numbers, text, images, or even videos. But when we add context, it becomes useful information. For example, the number 90, 85, and 70 by themselves are just data. But when we say they are the marks scored by the student in math, science, English, that's become information. Main types of data. Data is broadly classified into two types. The first is qualitative data. It is also called categorical. This is descriptive and non-numeric, like the color of a car or the taste of the food. The second is quantitative data, which is numeric and measurable, like marks in exams, your age, or your weight. Quantitative data is further divided into two categories, discrete data and continuous data. Discrete data means countable values, for example, the number of books you have or the number of days in a week. Continuous data means the value within a range, often including decimals like a person's height, temperature outside, or your body weight. Let's see some real life applications. Netflix and YouTube recommended the shows based on your watch history, and that's the data in action. E-commerce site tracks the item you buy and the ratings you give. School use the exam marks, and the weather app relies on the continuous temperature data. Everywhere around us, data is being collected and analyzed. Okay, let's begin with our first four questions. So the first question is, discrete data can take any value in the range? So the answer for this question is false. Discrete data means fixed countable numbers like 1, 2, 3. So not any value. So the answer is false. The second one is continuous data cannot take decimal values. So the answer for this question is also false. Continuous data can take the decimal values also like 5.7 kg or the temperature values 36.5 degrees Celsius, for example. So answer is false. It can take decimal values. Third question is information stored in a PDF is not considered data. So the answer is false because the PDF has text, images, and numbers. All of that is data. Fourth question is quantitative data cannot take numerical values. So the answer is false again because the quantitative data means the numerical data. Let's try the next set. Quantitative data is descriptive in nature. So the answer is true because, like we say, the car is red. So that is descriptive in nature and it's qualitative data. Next one is how is the weather like? It is what kind of data? So it is describing the quality as the weather may be sunny, rainy, hot, cold, etc. So it is describing its features. So it's qualitative data. So the next question is, which of the following is considered data? Speech, video, messages, all of the above. So the answer is all of the above. Every form of information counts as data. Next, how is data used in entertainment industries for predicting interest or targeting ads? So the answer is again both. It is used to predict what you like and to target the ads. Now some examples from our daily lives. Number of days in a week is an example of. So it is a fixed number, like we all know, the number of days are always 7. So it's example of discrete data. Types of quantitative data are discrete, continuous, or both. So I already told you quantitative data is uh, sub divided into two types, discrete and continuous. So the answer is both. Next, Temperature of a city in Celsius is discrete or continuous? So the answer is continuous data since it can take the decimal values like 30.5 degrees Celsius, 40 degrees Celsius, etc. Next, the number of players in a cricket team is discrete or continuous? So I already told you in discrete data we have fixed values. So number of player is also fixed. So it is the answer for this is discrete. So let's start with the next set. Height of the student in a class is discrete or continuous? So the answer for this question is continuous data because the height can vary and even have some difference in decimals. So it is continuous data. Eye color of student is qualitative or quantitative? It's qualitative because its category, it has some categories like black or brown or blue. So it's quality. Marks obtained in exams are discrete or continuous. So technically marks can be any value within a range. So it is continuous data. Mobile numbers saved in your contact list are qualitative or quantitative? So the answer for this is quantitative. So here are the final set of questions. Customer reviews like good, bad, excellent are qualitative or quantitative? So these are the qualitative data since they describe their opinions. Weight of fruits in a basket is discrete or continuous? It can be continuous data because the weight can be in decimal like 1.2 kg, 1.35 kg, and so on. Number of chairs in a classroom is discrete or continuous? The answer for this is discrete data because chairs are countable whole numbers. The speed of a moving car is discrete or continuous? So the answer is continuous data since the speed can vary and include in decimal like 45.6 kilometer per hour and the next can be 46 kilometer per hour. It is changing continuously. So thank you. That's it for today. We learned about the types of data and solved 20 MCQs together. In the next video, I'll take you through the Excel basics so we can start working with the data hands-on. I'm just starting out on YouTube, so your support means a lot. Please do like the video and subscribe to CodeQueryHub. See you in the next one. Thank you.